happy for this. And also on Friday, we're gonna have about final exam too. Yeah. That's why I'm gonna explain what kind of final exam that you could have it on Wednesday. Nanti akan Bro jelaskan juga untuk final exam apa yang bisa teman-teman persiapkan nanti di hari Rabu nih. Okay, so today we're gonna try to talk about sosial media, teman-teman ya. Jadi untuk hari ini kita akan berdiskusi tentang sosial media. When we try to talk about social media, did you still remember when did you start using social media? Ada yang masih ingat mungkin kapan pertama kali teman-teman menggunakan sosial media nih? Or maybe si Syakina, did you still remember when did you start using social media for this? Or it looks like si Susinta, did you still remember about that? When did you use social media at the first time? Or maybe this Kafa that you still remember?
Mm, Hi everyone.
Mhm.
On social media, I usually watch videos, learn new things, and sometimes share my daily life. I use TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp. My favorite is TikTok because it's entertaining and I can find a lot of useful and inspiring content. For
Okay,
good experience,
pertanyaannya bukan itu sih Sakina. When did you start using social media? Kapan pertama kali menggunakan sosial media?
um, maybe 2020, 2022. I
2022?
yeah.
What was the first social media that you used? Sosial medianya apa tuh pertama kali? 2022.
Um so many I can use application.
Okay, so many social media yeah, that you use it for
Yeah.
this one. Okay, it's a really cool, sis Sakina, that you have tried to mention about a lot of social media that you have it. And how about the other one? Ada yang masih ingat pertama kali menggunakan sosial media? Yes, Siskava, when did you start using social media at the first time?
Maybe when I was 11 years old.
Oh, 11 years old. What was your first social media?
BBM.
BBM? Oh, sure. It's a part of BlackBerry Messengers nih. That's why that you
Yeah.
have about that phone. Berarti punya handphone tersebut dong ya? If you use about BlackBerry Messenger?
Yeah.
Did you? And did you still remember what type of BlackBerry did you have it?
I think no what's the merit from phone. I just use Android,
Okay.
but BBM application, you know.
Okay, this you only use the Android and that you use about the BBM apps nih for this. Okay. That's why that
Yeah.
you didn't use WhatsApp for the first time, eh? But that you use BlackBerry Messenger for this.
Yeah.
Right. It's really cool nih. And why did you stop using BlackBerry Messengers?
Because it's too old.
That's too cool. That's why that wasn't on Facebook or maybe Instagram ya. That's a part of your first social media ya. But BlackBerry Messengers nih for this nih. Okay. So very cool. Sis Kava, that you have tried to say it about that. And how about you, Sis Angel? What was the first social media that you have it? Ada masih ingat mungkin Sis Angel? Sosial media pertama Sis Angel?
The social media that I used for the first time when I'm 12 years old in 2013, I think.
Wow, 2013.
2013.
All right. And what social media did you use it?
Facebook.
Okay, this about Facebook, yeah.
Yeah.
And also, uh, did you still use Facebook till now? Or maybe did you
Uh,
stop using Facebook?
no, I have the account, but
Mm.
I don't use it,
Anymore.
yeah,
Mm.
anymore.
Okay, did you leave Facebook for this one? Why did you leave Facebook nih, Sis Angel?
Um, because um because maybe the Instagram or WhatsApp more apa ya, lebih enak dipakai gitu.
Okay, kinds of better ya.
Yeah.
Kinds of Instagram and WhatsApp better
Yes.
than Facebook nih. That's why that you leave it ya.
Oh,
Okay. That's a very closest angel ya that you have tried to say it about that nih. And how about you, Sis Adinda maybe? Did you still remember what was your first social media? Masih ingat sosial media pertama Sis Adinda maybe?
I think Yahoo Messenger and
Wah,
Friendster.
Yahoo Messenger and Friendster?
Yeah, it's too old
Okay.
there. Sorry.
And when did you use Friendster? Did you still remember?
Uh, when I
This
was in junior, I forget. Maybe
okay.
2006.
Okay, 2006 when you were in junior high school. That's why did you
Yeah,
use about Friendster for this one?
yeah,
Okay.
Friendster and Yahoo.
Was it easy or difficult when you tried to access or when you try to operate a social like a Friendster? Is that easy or difficult for that the first social media that you use it when you
At
were
that
in
time,
junior high school, right?
at that time, yeah, difficult.
Difficult,
We need
sure.
to put music and then
Okay.
control the profile. I think it's difficult at that time.
Oh, there's a music
Better
too.
now.
Wow, that you could put the music on that social
Yes,
media that you use it?
yes. When you
Okay.
choose my profile and
Mhm.
then the song is playing.
Okay, there's some play for that when you
Yeah.
try to use it for this one, basically. And where do you usually access or where do you usually it's kinds of log
Mm.
in your Facebook nih that you log in on your phone or maybe that you log in on your computer for this?
Oh, at school.
At school? Sure.
Yes, once a week. Yeah.
Wow.
We
That you
practice about
access it for
computer
this
and
one.
access. Yeah, only for 1 hour.
Okay. That you learn from your school, eh?
Yeah, I don't have
Right.
phone like kids right now.
All
And then I
right.
access at school.
Okay, well, that you access it at school for this one,
Yes.
eh? And how many computer that's available that you still remember about it is
Oh,
Adina?
many. I think 20, 25.
Wow, 25 computers
Yeah, we have
in a
one class available for computer class.
wow, that's why your school that's already great, yeah? Because
Um,
all of the students could accessible the computer and that they could use it the computer for this one, eh?
yes, we learn about that.
Wow, that's really cool nih for this. Nice sis Adina that you have tried to mention about the first social media that you have it nih.
Thank
And
you, Bayu.
you're welcome. Sis Mimi, how about you? Did you still remember your first social media that you had?
Mm, my first social media is Facebook
Facebook.
when
Okay.
I junior school.
On junior high school, did you use Facebook? And
No, I forgot the password.
did you forget your password? Why? Did you forget your password that you leave your Facebook for this nih?
It's so
And
long.
mhm, that's why that you never check your Facebook anymore now.
The account still
Exists.
there, but I can sign in.
That you could sign in for this one ya. Berarti sekarang
Mm,
udah jarang ya.
Udah,
That you seldom
mm,
ya.
yeah.
Seldom sign in for this. Okay. And how did you access your Facebook? Aksesnya gimana tuh? By phone? By
Uh,
computer? Looks like Sis Adinda or maybe by
by phone.
By phone? Wow.
Mm-mm.
That's why that you have Android ya for this.
Yes. Apa dulu ya? Nokia.
Oh, bukan Android ya, masih Nokia ternyata.
No, yeah.
Symbian for this ya.
Uh,
That you
no,
access it.
no Facebook.
No Facebook for this nih. That you
Okay.
could access it ya for this one. But you forgot about this password. That's why you could sign up for this ya. Okay, it's a
Yes.
really cool, sis Mimi, that you have tried to access about more questions nih. Oke, gimana teman-teman selama libur 2 minggu ya? That's why that you were really happy for this ya. Mungkin ada yang pulang kampung teman-teman, balik kampung nih selama beberapa hari ya. That you could enjoy about your day off, menikmati cuti bersama juga mungkin di beberapa minggu teman-teman dari pekerja teman-teman. Mungkin that you get about atau mungkin dari kegiatan belajar mengajar teman-teman libur berapa hari ya mungkin ada yang libur selama 5 hari about 5 days or maybe that you get about 7 days atau 1 minggu for day off or maybe that you go back to your hometowns ada yang mudik gak teman-teman kira-kira ya selama liburan and what kind of thing did you get it ya after going back to your hometown setelah mudik teman-teman apa yang teman-teman rasakan ya what did you feel for this or maybe that you were really happy because that you met all of your family for this one that you met your relative that you met your cousins like this one or maybe that you met your nephew like this one or your niece or maybe Siskafa did you go back to your hometown apakah mudik nih Siskafa
No, I don't
no
have a
what
hometown.
What did you don't have a hometown? Oh my God. That's why. How did you enjoy your 8 nih?
Maybe just pray with my family
Mhm,
in my city
mhm. Okay.
and eating together after pray.
That's why that you didn't go anywhere, yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long did you get the day off nih? Did you get? It looks like a long holiday for this. Apakah libur panjang atau no? That you have it.
Yeah. Uh, maybe 10 days.
Wow, 10 days, yeah. Did you have about really long holiday for this nih? Okay, that's nice, sis Kava. And how about you, sis Ani? Did you go back to your hometown? Apakah mudik nih? It's nothing. Or maybe sis Sakina, did you go back to your hometown? Wow, there's nothing too. Or sis Angel, apakah menikmati liburannya? Did you enjoy your holiday during 2 weeks? And what did you do? Ngapain aja nih
Yes,
selama libur 2 minggu?
yes, I enjoy my holidays.
Mhm,
I went back to my hometown for
mhm.
1 week.
Wow, 1 week that you went back to your hometown.
Yes,
Where's your hometown?
in Sidikalang actually it is in Medan, but
Mhm.
um, sekitar 3 jam dari Medan begitu.
Okay, that's around 3 hours
Yes,
from Medan.
around 3 hours from Medan.
Okay, by bus or by car? What kind of transportation did you use it? By train?
From Jakarta, I choose plane, and
Mm-mm.
from the Medan, from airport, I choose bus until my hometown.
Wow, that you choose about the bus, yeah, basically, yeah.
Yes.
And when did you go back to your hometown? This and what date?
Mm, 14.
14?
Yes.
14 March.
Yes.
Okay, that you went back early, yeah? It's
Yeah.
about 14 March. And when did you start your holiday?
On 15, I go
Oh,
to my
15.
yes, I go to my grandfather town,
Mm-mm.
and there are uh f- um beberapa tempat wisata.
Wow. That you visit the several tourist attractions, yeah?
Yeah,
Wow. That's why that you start your holiday on 15
15.
March
Yes.
2026. Yeah, wow. And did you enjoy the several food there, like this one?
Yes, food on my hometown, or I think on village, is more
Mm-mm.
better than in the city.
Sure.
Yes.
In the city of Medan or city of Jakarta, sis Angel? Which one?
Both.
In the city of both. Okay. That's why it's about of the you could find about the special cuisine, yeah? Or it's about the cuisine, yeah? From your hometown, especially your village nih, for this one. Nih. And how about how was the situations nih, during uh when you are on your trip nih? Is it really crowded like that when you went back to your hometown on 15th March
Mm.
like that?
No, no, 14, and 14 when I'm back
Mm-mm.
to the when I'm uh b- back when by the airplane, it's
Mm-mm.
not crowded on the road, but when I go to the my grandfather town,
Mm-mm.
it's a little bit crowded because it's a city of mm, wisata tuh bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih, Mas?
It's about tourist attraction.
Yeah, so many people go to the town.
Okay, there's about of the things here. There's a really crowded. It's about a tourist attraction. There's a lot of people who try to visit for this one, eh? Because it's a part of the public holiday too, yeah.
Yeah,
Basically, yeah.
public
It starts
holidays.
from 18, yeah, kan? Because there's a Chinese New Year's on 18, like this one, eh?
Mm-mm.
And also it's about it's about Nyepi too, yeah. It's about Silent Day on 19, yeah.
Yes.
After that, it looks like Eid Fitri nih, support of a long weekend, as everyone has it there. And also, and when did you go back to Jakarta, Angel? Did you
Um,
go back on Jakarta maybe
on 22, on
22,
yes, 22
22nd?
March.
Okay.
Yes, actually I choose to holidays in lebih awal dari from
Mm-mm.
my other friends on a office. So we have shifting maybe.
Right. That's why on 23rd, did you work? Or maybe,
Yes.
okay, that's why that you should go back on 22nd, yeah? To Jakarta nih for this one. Okay, so very cool, eh? Because the trip isn't too crowded there.
Yes. That's a
Okay,
good time, I think.
a good time for that. Okay, this nice decision for this. And how about the other one, thank you for answering my questions, Sis Angel. It's a really quick for these. Or maybe Sis Adinda, did you go back to your hometown during the long holidays, during 2 weeks off? Did we have
Uh,
it?
Only for a week.
Only for a
Last
week?
week. Yeah, at
Okay.
18. On 18, sorry. I go back to
Okay.
my husband hometown in Palembang.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what was the transportation that you choose it? Did you choose airplane?
No, by ferry.
Oh, by ferry? Sure.
Yes.
Wow.
First night I stayed at Lampung for one night only, and the next day we continue to Palembang. Only for 4 nights.
Okay. And how was the conditions, Sis Adina? Was it really crowded there
No.
when you were on ferry? No?
No, no crowd.
Okay. But 18, it looks like a silent day, eh? Oh,
Yeah, in silent day.
okay. It's an island day that you try to have it for this one, basically. Okay. So very cool for Disney. And also, and how about the tickets, Adina? Did you buy the online one or offline ferry ticket?
I buy online on that day.
On that day? Sure.
Yes.
Okay. I think that you booked previous, yeah,
No,
day before nih.
I booked.
It's
Yeah, I decided to go back to Palembang in 17, 17. And
okay.
then I prepare to from Tangerang by train to Merak, and then I continue with ferry.
Okay. Oh my God, it's a part of the sudden trip that you have it, that you make a decision on 17 nih.
Yes.
My God. And how long did you have about the day off nih? Is it 1 week or maybe this totally
No,
of your holiday,
yeah, 5 nights, yeah, 6 days.
6 days,
Yeah,
okay.
only.
It's totally 6 days off, that you
Yeah.
have with me. Right. Okay. So because I did that you have answered my questions nih. And how about you, Mimi?
I live
Did-
in Bogor, but
Mm-mm.
my hometown in Jakarta. It's called Pulang Kota.
Yes, of course. That's a really cool, basically, And how about the situation during the holiday in Jakarta, Sis Mimi?
Uh,
Did you find any
some,
traffic jam?
no, it's kayak biasa. Maybe
Mm-mm.
di mana ya? Perkantoran.
Mm-mm.
It's because the holiday it's sepi.
Mm-mm. Okay, it's already quiet, during the
Quiet.
holiday nih. Okay. And also, how long did you get about the day off nih, Sis Mimi? Berapa total
Just,
liburan, Sis Mimi?
I'm in Jakarta just the day.
Hah? There's only
Yeah,
one day for this?
yeah, just one day. I back to Bogor. Just meet my family.
Mm-mm. Okay.
And the evening I'm
Mm-mm.
back.
Okay, she go back for this one,
Um, I
So
don't
very
like
cool.
meet people.
This you don't like meat?
The people.
Okay. This one that you prefer quiet place for this one,
Yes.
Then meet a lot of people for this day. Okay.
It's
And how
draining.
about the situation in Bogor, Sis Mimi? Is it really crowded? Because it's a part of the long holiday, Because in
Yes.
Bogor that you have a lot of tourist attraction, right? There.
Yeah, just traffic.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
It's about the traffic for this.
Mhm.
Okay. It's nice, Sis Mimi, that you have tried to answer my questions, name. And as we could find about viral ya, teman-teman di sini ada viral atau viral semua tahu ya, udah menjadi salah satu kosakata serapan dalam bahasa Indonesia nih, ya kan, sebab viral. Sebutin nih sesuatu yang sangat viral. Please try to mention something that's so really viral nih. Apa kira-kira yang viral teman-teman? What you mention about that nih? Apa nih kira-kira sesuatu yang viral yang teman-teman ketahui nih? Baru-baru ini, that's really viral. Okay. And also maybe disebut of the trending ya. Sesuatu yang trending diikuti banyak orang nih. Does everyone try to follow for this one? And also there is a blogging too ya. And also that we could find it about vlogging teman-teman. Adalah video harian yang kita bisa temukan. Mungkin ada yang pernah nonton ya. Did you ever try to watch its kinds of vlog and someone try to make a vlog for these nih. And also that we could find it's about hater and streaming. Jadi kalau hater pembenci, kalau streaming itulah siaran langsung nih. And what kind of live streaming that you like to watch it ya? Teman-teman mungkin ada yang suka nonton live streaming. Dan live streaming apakah itu yang teman-teman suka tonton nih? Or maybe shopping live streaming like this? Atau mungkin ada yang suka nonton live streaming yang lain? That you love another live streaming? Or maybe it's about football? Or maybe it's kinds of game live streaming ya? That you like to watch it for these? Ini ada yang suka nonton live streaming nggak kira-kira teman-teman ya? Atau mungkin sis Kava, you love
Maybe
to watch live streaming?
English live streaming on TikTok.
Oke, English live streaming ya. On TikTok ya. Why do you choose TikTok nih sis Kava? For live streaming?
Uh, I don't know
You don't
because
know.
that is piece of my life.
Because as we know it ya, that we could find it about as another social media that you could do live streaming ya. It's not only TikTok, right? Like on Instagram kan juga bisa live streaming juga. Why do you choose TikTok?
Because it's easy, maybe.
This is easy ya than Instagram or maybe YouTube ya. That's why there's only on TikTok ya. That you
Yeah,
often to watch live streaming nih. That you never watch there's another
yeah, never.
live streaming content ya on the other social media like Instagram or maybe on YouTube like this ya. You should never watch it for that nih. That's why there's only one live streaming that you like it discover.
Yeah,
It's only English.
yeah, and
This
shopping live streaming too.
okay. That's why the choose about TikTok shop ya. When you
Yeah,
want to buy something ya. Okay. And it's a really cool discover that you have tried to mention about live streaming that you like it ya. Or maybe Sis Yeni, apakah suka nonton live streaming juga? Do you like to watch live streaming like this one? Oh, there's nothing. Or it looks like Sis Mimi, because that you love about the quiet place, yeah? That you dislike to meet a lot of people. Do you like to watch live streaming?
Yes, I
Yes.
watch marathon.
Huh? Marathon, sure. That's why that you watch it on YouTube, right?
I see the clip in TikTok
Okay.
and I watch it.
That you watch it nih. Why
Mm.
do you like marathon nih?
It's gabut.
Okay. It's a for killing time basically
Yes,
That's why that you watch it on TikTok nih.
yes.
Alright. Is there another live streamers that you ever watch? Is it only marathon that you ever watch it? Cuma
Uh,
marathon aja?
I watch shopping, live streaming, and
Mm-mm.
learning English.
Mm-mm. Okay, learning English too, and also shopping live streaming nih. And do you usually buy something after
Yes,
watching live streaming? Sure. Did you buy it?
I buy my dress for it
Mm-mm. Okay.
for my live streaming.
Did you buy it for this one basically
Mm.
And how much the price? Is it affordable for you, or maybe it's a bit expensive about the dress that you bought it?
Yeah, little bit expensive because
Oh.
the it
Because at
it,
Fitri
it
it's a part
mark
of the
up.
moment markup for the price nih. And how about the viral color for this 8 Fitri nih? Untuk warna di bulan
Uh,
Idul Fitri ini apa? Sis Mimi.
maybe apa namanya? Cream.
Oh, cream. It's a
Yes,
part
but
of the
my dress is gray.
okay. The final one is cream. That your dress is kind of gray
Mm,
Okay,
I don't
the
want viral.
mm, yeah, that's nice for this one. And did you make a couples with your family like this one about that color?
Yes, I love it.
Oh, that you wear same It's
Mm,
the same color with your family for this one Okay,
yes.
so really cool, sis Mimi, that you have tried to mention about that And also there is a head speech ya, ujaran kebencian, ada juga platform, ada juga influencer nih. Orang yang berpengaruh, mungkin yang ada di sosial media that you could say it's about influencer nih. Mungkin ada yang memiliki beberapa influencer favorit. What's your, or who's your favorite influencer that you usually watch it? Ada yang punya favorit influencer mungkin di sini teman-teman yang sering banget teman-teman tonton nih di handphone teman-teman nih. And who is your favorite influencer? Or maybe would you mention the influencer that you know with Kira-kira influencer yang teman-teman tahu tuh siapa aja sih kira-kira Or maybe beauty makeup influencer that you know with, ya kan? Or maybe it's about food vlogger influencer that you know it for this, that you usually watch it nih for this one. Oke, and also that we could find about platform teman-teman Di sini ada tempat, ada juga influencer, clickbait Jadi kayak clickbait tuh kayak ada beberapa judul yang bikin kita terkecoh nih. It's called about clickbait nih. Ada juga content creator membuat konten, ada juga crowdfunding, penggalangan dana, and to donate, mendonasikan, and meme, itu adalah gambaran-gambaran sindiran yang kita bisa temukan Ada juga to access, mengakses nih. And to endorse itu lebih ke mendukung, and promote, mempromosikan. Maybe that you ever try to promote something on your social media that you could say for this. And also ada juga cybercrime, kejahatan dunia maya, cyber fraud, penipuan dunia maya, and cyberbully itu lebih ke bully di dunia maya nih. Oke. So, let's get started about our breakout room. Nanti kalau ada yang ingin mempromosikan sosial media teman-teman, that you could promote about that nih. I'm gonna set about our breakout room. Oke. So untuk di kelompok satu untuk interviewernya, this we have about Sis Adinda as the interviewer and Sis Kava as the interviewer di kelompok dua nih. Oke, kita mulai latihan kita teman-teman. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Let's get started about our breakout room. Okay, so that's we're back again on our main room, everyone. That we have about the several interviewer ya. We try to talk each other, and that's really nice for this one. Saya kira setelah libur 2 minggu, teman-teman agak sedikit malu-malu when you try to speak. Ternyata tetap ya, tetap sama. That you still really confident when you try to have a chit chat with your friend. Nih. Okay, maybe who dare to try it to tell us about your experience? What do you do on social media? What social media do you use? Which one is your favorite one? And what are good experience and good and bad experiences that you ever had it in? Based on this our interviewer, maybe Siskava, I'm really curious about your answer. Nih. Would you mind to would you mind answering about this question?
Okay. Uh, on social media, I usually communicate with people and share my thoughts. I also like to learn new things and explore different cultures.
Mhm.
I use several social media platforms, but I mostly use Tandem apps. It's an application where I can find friends from other countries,
Mhm.
practice language while sharing ideas. My favorite social media is Tandem because I can meet new people from around the world and improve my English at the same time. I think I have embarrassing experience when I use social media is when I accidentally press the video call button on my cross contact. I don't think it was really bad, but it was very embarrassing for me. That's it.
It's about embracing it. That's why they never forget about the bad experiences. Yeah. Okay, that's a really cool discover when you try to answer about those questions. Yeah, and that you're still confident when you try to answer it. It's a really great. Yeah, because after having 2 days off, it's kind of 2 weeks off, and I'm really glad to know it's about your progress. That's still same than before. It's about your confidence and for the grammatical structures aman nih untuk penyusunannya gak ada yang miss juga ya. And how about this another interviewer, Sis Adinda? Would you mind answering these questions? I'm really curious about what do you do on social media for this and what social media do you use?
Okay. On social media, I usually search for fashion trends, listen to music, and read news updates. What social media do you use? I use Instagram and TikTok. I like both of them because they have different content. Instagram is more for fashion and news, while TikTok is for music and K-pop updates, and sometimes online shopping. Which one is your favorite and why? Yeah, I think same answer like the second question. And then what are good and bad experience on social media? Um, I think social media has good and bad sides. The bad side is it can be addictive and sometimes people share too much. But the good side is it's very fast and easy to access anytime. We just need to use it wisely.
Okay, that's where it goes. Apa lagi, Sadina?
Sorry?
Which one? What else?
Just it.
Just it.
Done.
Okay, done for this one. Okay, that's already goes Adinda when you try to answer about this, yeah. It's specifically that you try to read the news and also that you try to follow about the trend or fashion one, yeah, on your social media for Disney. So very good confident when you try to answer it, and that's a really great grammatical structure too. And how about you, Sisiani? What do you do on social media? We are really curious about your answer. Dengan Sisiani. There's nothing. Or maybe it's kinds of this angel.
On social media, I actually and usually search to apa ya? News. So I read the news on social media, and I don't interested to follow apa ya? Follow an artist, actor on social media. So just for search news and social media that I use is Instagram and TikTok. My favorite one is Instagram because on Instagram, except that I find news, I could find my friend too. And a good experience on Instagram is it's easy to use it, and the bad experience is there are many penipu di sana, and there are hate speech too. Just it, bro.
Okay, there's a lot of scammers ya that you could find it there ya, Sis Angel ya. So very cool. Jadi kalau mau bilang menipu bisa pakai scammers like this one that you could say it for this. Also kalau untuk mau bilang aku tidak tertarik, jadi nggak perlu pakai don't ya, Sis Angel. Dikarenakan tertarik itu merupakan kata sifat, jadi bisa pakai I'm not interested ya. That you could say it about this one basically ya. Okay, for your confidence, it's a really nice, Sis Angel, and also that you try to put really clear answer for this one ya, and that you have prepared really well for this one. Cuma itu aja nanti untuk feedbacknya ya. Jadi kalau mau bilang tidak tertarik, jangan pakai yang don't, kita pakai yang I'm not aja nih, that's enough nih. Okay, so thank you everyone that you have tried to join us our class today. It's our first meetings after having 2 weeks off, and that's a really great result when you try to answer it. That's a really good for this. We will meet again tomorrow, and we will have about this another topic too for tomorrow. And tomorrow maybe that I'm gonna recalls about the several topic that we have learned before. It looks like a simple past like this one. Does you still remember or not? And also support of suggestion. How do we make a suggestion for this one? Kita ketemu lagi besok teman-teman. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining and